Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to talk about something very important. We need to know these things at the earliest. I'll give you an example. Yesterday my brother was going to a mall to watch a movie and I told him to buy some groceries. I gave a list of grocery items to buy. And to my surprise, he asked me, "Come on, I'm going to a mall to watch a movie. Where do I get all these stuffs? How will I get these stuffs in the mall?" To this, I replied to him saying, a mall has a lot of things. They have apparels, clothing, supermarkets, grocery items, restaurants, food court, everything is there. Theater, everything is there. And then I explained him about each and every terminology related to shopping. So today in this session also, I'm going to talk about these vocabularies or words related to shopping which we need to know at the earliest. We do online shopping, we do go to the mall and shop there. We buy groceries, we buy footwears, we buy accessories, we buy clothes, etc., etc. A lot of things. What are these things called? What are the specific terms we can use to describe these? I'm going to talk about in this session today. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's get back to the topic. So there are lots of vocabulary related to shopping which we don't know, right? We make a generalized opinion that if I'm going to a mall, I can't buy any grocery items there. If I'm going to a mall, I can't get any fruits and vegetables there, right? But in a mall, everything is available, but we need to know what they are called so that if tomorrow we go there, we can ask or inquire about it if we know the right word. So today I'm going to describe everything in detail so that tomorrow if you go anywhere, you know what is the right place to search for things which you are looking for. So let's begin. So again, I've divided things into three parts. The first segment will be the vocabulary. The second will be I'm going to come up with a sentence related to the word to understand or how to describe that word or how to use that word in your own sentence to describe things. And the third part is I'm going to talk about my shopping experience. Okay, any shopping experience I will take up and I'm going to talk about it. Okay, so these are the three segments I'm going to speak today. So coming to the first part, vocabulary, the main thing is we need to know the types of stores first. What all kind of stores are there related to shopping? First is a departmental store. Departmental stores, you can find it anywhere, right? In shopping complexes, across the streets, you can find a lot of departmental stores. They are big or large stores that sell all kind of goods or a wide range of products like clothes, electronics, home goods, everything. Okay, so you can find everything in one roof, like clothing or house items, household items or electronic items, everything you'll find under the same roof. So that is a departmental store. Second one is the supermarket. Supermarkets are large stores which sell food and household items. You'll find a lot of supermarkets around you like Reliance Fresh or More, Star Bazaar, etc. So these are some examples of supermarkets where you can buy food items as well as household items also, right? You can go and buy fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables are also available. All the grocery items are available. All the other household items are also available there which you can buy from the supermarket. Okay, another one is very important, pharmacy. When you have to buy medicines, where do we go? Where we have to go? We have to go to a pharmacy. right? A store that sells medicines and health related products. It's called pharmacy. So next time when you have to go and buy some medicine, you should know where you have to go. You have to go to a pharmacy to buy your medicines. Okay, if you have to buy fresh fruits or vegetables or any household item, and if you are in a mall or anywhere else, you can look for a supermarket. Or if you are around your area on the streets and you are looking for some household item or some thing to buy, a gift to buy for someone, you have to go to attend the birthday party, you can go to a departmental store. D-Mart is also a departmental store wherein they have everything. Okay, or Smart Bazaar is a departmental store, or any other departmental store which is there in your area which has everything. Okay, next is a hardware store. Now, if you want any plumbing item or anything else, a tool or something to fix some pipes or some blockages, where do you go? You go to a hardware store, right? So hardware store is a store which sells tools and building supplies. Okay, and next is a bookstore. Now in a mall also we have bookstores. Crosswords is something which comes to our mind immediately, right? So that is a bookstore. You can find it in a mall, you can find it around the street also. Okay, there are outlets of bookstores. So a store that sells books or other reading materials. Okay, so these are the vocabulary related to different kind of stores. Okay, everything comes under different category and I've just described it very clearly. Next, there are some vocabulary which we very frequently use when we go for a shopping and we don't have to actually buy something. We call it window shopping. So what does it mean? We are looking for items, we are exploring everything, but we are not buying because we don't want to buy. Okay, so that is called window shopping. For example, there was a huge sale at the mall, so I went for window shopping. Okay, there was a huge sale at the mall, so I went for window shopping. Just to check, what all things are available. So this is what it means, window shopping. The next is grocery shopping or grocery shopping. If you're going to buy some food items, it's called grocery shopping. So last weekend, I took my kid to the game zone and I also did some grocery shopping. Okay, now there's another term which is called shop around. Shop around means we compare prices. We compare prices of items in different stores before buying, which we generally do, right? If there's a sale at different stores, we go and check each store and compare the price and the kind of quality or item, and then we make a decision and then we buy. That is called shopping around. Okay, so last weekend there was a huge sale and I was shopping around different stores before buying something. Okay, now another word is bargain. We also bargain, right? So it's not possible at malls, but yes, when we shop outside at any other store and street side shopping and all, we do bargain, which means we negotiate for a good value for any item or goods. Okay, we negotiate the price so that we get it at a cheaper rate or a good price. Okay, I always bargain during street shopping. I always bargain during street shopping. Okay, another word is shopaholic. Shopaholic, person who loves shopping. The person who loves shopping. One of my friends is a shopaholic. Every weekend she goes for shopping. One of my friends is a shopaholic. Every weekend she goes for shopping. Okay, another term is discount, which is called reduced price. So we always see whenever there is a sale going, we get some discount. Or everywhere online also, if you shop for anything, you will see the discount percentage is written. So that means reduction in price. So we can say, I've got this dress at 50% discount. I've got this dress at 50% discount. Okay. Next is sale, a period of time when items are sold at a reduced price. So sale, we know the sale season is on. During monsoons, there is always a sale. During monsoons, there is always a sale. Now, there are certain other terms which are related to shopping, like when we buy some item, we pay the money, right? We pay the money in cash or by card or by online transaction or debit card or credit card, right? Anything, UPI or online payment, which is called. This is one thing. Or there's a gift card also, which is available if you've got some gift card. So you can make payment through gift cards also. In this way, after doing your purchase means to buy, you get a receipt, okay, which is a document which shows the proof of your purchase, or a bill, right? That is a receipt. The amount you have paid, that is a proof. So receipt, you get a receipt. And then comes if you want to return some items, so you go and return that item, or you exchange something, right? You don't like it, or your size is not fit, or you find some problem with that item, you go and exchange it with the other fresh item. Okay, so that is exchange. Return is you return that and you don't buy it, you get the money back. Okay, another term is warranty, which is a guarantee that an item will be repaired or replaced if it is found faulty or if it is faulty. All electronic items comes with a warranty. All electronic items comes with a warranty. Okay, next is a price tag, a label showing the price of an article or an item. That is a price tag. So we look at the price tag before buying. Okay. Another word is changing room or fitting room. It is generally in the malls. So wherein nowadays it's there in shops also. If you go to a boutique or any departmental store also, you find that. So you can go and try that clothes. So a place where you can go and try your clothes to check the fitting. So that is called fitting room or changing room. Okay, so guys, this is about the vocabulary and the sentences in which you can use these words, or how you can use these words in your own sentences. I've given those sentences. You can also try on your own. You can also try coming up with new sentences on your own related to these words. After I've spoken, you can pause the video and you can just come up with 1 or 2 more sentences related to the same word so that you can start practicing on the spot. Okay, now coming to my last segment wherein I'm going to speak about my shopping experience. Now guys, this is also a practice session. I'm just talking about my experience so that it will help you to understand how you can talk about your shopping experience and you can come up with your own version of your shopping experience. So it's basically a practice session wherein I'm just trying to help you with speaking on this topic. Okay. So let's start. Last weekend there was a huge sale at the mall. I went there and I started shopping around. Most of the things were on 50% discount. I couldn't make up my mind to buy anything. But looking at the stuffs, the deals were quite good and it tempted me to buy something. And finally, I selected some stuffs and I went to the fitting room to try on. I tried those, but still I couldn't make up my mind to buy those items. I came out to give a second thought to it, and finally I picked up 2 items and I went to the billing counter. I paid the money through online payment. I got a receipt and I came out of the store. I also had a list of grocery items which I needed to buy. So I went to a supermarket. I bought some fruits and vegetables and some household items and some snacks from there. After doing all the shopping, I finally decided to have a coffee as I was so tired. So we all had coffee and then we came back home. So guys, this is how I described my shopping experience of last week. You can also talk about any of your shopping experience. You must have done a lot of shopping. You must have gone to shop for medicine, for fruits and vegetables, for any household item, for any hardware, to any hardware store, any food stall, anywhere, right? Just talk about it, guys. These are very general, common, everyday spoken topics, guys. And I pick up these just because I want you to start speaking in English. Because these topics are very relatable. We do speak about it. Think about it in your mother tongue. Don't you talk about it every single day? Or if you meet somebody, people speak about all these things, right? So start talking about it in English now. It's very easy, very convenient and very practical. take the help of my video, and I'm very sure it will help you a lot to speak fluently, clearly, confidently, and naturally. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.